We are here today at the Hoover Dam. We took a bus ride from Vegas, and they stopped first at the Michael Callahan and Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. We got to walk over the bridge, which is the border between Nevada and Arizona, and see views of the Hoover Dam. It was so beautiful. I've always wanted to see the Hoover Dam. I just think it's a great feat of engineering. I love the history behind it, that it helped give workers jobs during the Great Depression, and it was also needed. The dam sits here on the border between Nevada and Arizona, and is in the Colorado River. The views are amazing. Next, we went over to the Hoover Dam itself and looked at all the monuments honoring the workers who built the Hoover Dam. This was really a huge feat, and at the time was the biggest cement structure that was built. Looking at the Colorado River here, I really love the views. I especially love the different colors of the rock. They basically show where the water levels used to be, which is really not good. It shows how much the water is lowered, but I still think the different coloring is beautiful. The statue you saw for time, there's a time tower there for Nevada and for Arizona, because Arizona does not follow daylight savings time, so it shows when the times are different. I love just looking over the dam. I really think it's so beautiful. We then got to go inside the Hoover Dam power plant.
To the Hoover Dam power plant.
It was really neat to see how the Hoover Dam worked, and it supplies energy to Nevada, Arizona, and California. Then we got to go up to the viewing platform and get to see some different views of the Hoover Dam. Overall, we had a great experience visiting the Hoover Dam.